I'm Cleona. Welcome to my listing in the Reserve Orchard Hills, located in Irvine. This modern home is situated on a premium lot, offering stunning views that allows you to overlook the entire city of Irvine. The home's layout is incredibly functional and flows seamlessly. As you enter, you are greeted by a two-story ceiling foyer. The open concept great room allows you to enjoy the view and sense of openness from every angle. Our gourmet kitchen boasts upgraded high-gloss cabinets and high-end appliances. Upstairs, the master bedroom offers views and abundant natural light. The two secondary bedrooms are both spacious and functional. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, featuring a motorized patio cover, built-in barbecue, and fire pit. If you need more information or would you like a private showing, just contact me.